Hey everyone! Today, we've got a super challenging math quiz for you. These problems are going to really make you think. Write down how many you got correct, and while you're here, hit that subscribe button for more brain-bending fun. Let's go! 250 plus 144 equals? The answer is 394. If 3 ice cream cones cost $6, how much would 8 ice cream cones cost? $16. 927 minus 583 equals? $344. 28 divided by 4 equals? $7. What is 2% of 2,500? $50. 364 plus 331 equals? $695. 472 plus 211 equals? $683. 438 minus 215 equals? $223. A $300 appliance is on sale for 10% off. What is the sale price? $270. 47.8 plus 39.1 equals? $86.9. 19 times 4 equals? The answer is 76. A $90 book set is 50% off. What's the sale price? $45. 289 plus 164 equals? $453. 54 divided by 9 equals? $6. 50.3 plus 42.7 equals? $93. 605 minus 392 equals? The answer is 213. 65.4 plus 58.2 equals? The answer is 123.6. What is 30% of $1,100? $330. A $180 bicycle is on sale with a 20% discount. What's the final price? $144. 391 plus 184 equals? $575. 32 divided by 4 equals? The answer is 8. The answer is 105. 21 times 5 equals? 782 minus 459 equals? $323. 72.9 plus 61.5 equals? $134.4. 88.1 plus 74.6 equals? It's 162.7. 289 plus 462 equals? It's 751. 96 divided by 8 equals? $12. What is 60% of $750? $450. 14 times 6 equals? $84. 91.3 plus 80.1 equals? $171.4. 736 plus 129 equals? $865. 837 plus 243 equals? $1080. If 2 pairs of shoes cost $150, how much would 4 pairs of shoes cost? $30. 319 minus 106 equals? It's 213. 12.6 plus 14.8 equals? It's 27.4. A $50 game is on sale for 40% off. What's the discounted price? $30. 42 divided by 7 equals? $6. 546 minus 234 equals? $312. 661 plus 334 equals? The answer is $995. 888 plus 121 equals? The answer is 1009. Phew, that was a workout for the brain. How many did you manage to crack? Share your results in the comments. And if you're up for more mathematical mayhem, hit that subscribe button for more quizzes. See you!